his mother said unto the servants, whatsoever he said unto you, do it. May God bless you. Amen. Tin anu in rongpol tu te hna in hna asoi apiang chu ti zelang chu atia kan hna asoi apiang chu kan ti zelang rau thiang lim zara lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.